guys, so we're on our way to see I'm seeing Bad Boys. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it was. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I will let you know how it was, and I'll catch you guys later.
Movie fans, meet your match with Newbie's trivia game, Shuffle.
Y'all can't see me, but what's up?
Just your Hollywood IQ. Right now, it's
I'm letting everybody say hi, y'all, because I ain't got no selfie stick.
Hello.
Ooh, my breasts are on.
To start playing.
Hey you guys, so I'm home. I literally went outside looking like a ghost. I had all kinds of powder on my face. Y'all didn't even let me know. I'm just kidding. But the movie, y'all. Look at this. I can't. Anyway, y'all, the movie was great. I do feel like the action in Bad Boys 2 was a lot more better than 3. However, the comedy in 3 was insane, off the chain, belly busting, laughing. But I do think the action in 2 was better than 3. Other than that, I loved it. I still love it. I still loved it. It's better than a lot of movies that came out last year, for sure. So every morning I drink this protein shake because my vitamin and mineral levels are low. So the doctor put me on a protein shake as well as giving me vitamins to help me out with that. So this is pretty much what I do. I just switch the fruits up and I add it to the protein shake and some water, and that's all I have for the morning. Then I take my meds, and then that's it for the morning until dinner time. Yeah, pretty much till dinner time. This gets me pretty full, so I'm not really hungry during the day, and I have a lot of energy. I don't even know if it's okay to mention this. So, my husband lost his grandmother last weekend, I believe. And, man, you know something? You know what's crazy? When I lost my father, I'm not making this about me. I have a point. I promise. I have a point. When I lost my father, and everything that I went through, like bad things and things like that, you know, we always like, why? Or we don't understand it. We don't know why we're going through it. And then it's like, boom, here we are now in 2020. And it becomes full circle, you know, because if I didn't go through what I went through, I wouldn't be able to be there for him like I have been. And, you know, because I'm more understanding. I know what it feels like. I know what the pain is like. I know what the hurt is like. I know what the anger is like. So it's like, you know, I feel like that moment prepared me for it. I don't know if that's making sense, but I know what I'm saying. In order to be there for him as genuinely, as strongly, and as passionately as I can to get him through what's going on, as well as being there for his family. So this weekend, what we're doing is, this weekend is the memorial service. So that's what I'll be doing this coming Saturday. Just give us some hearts down below. It's all good. You know, he's okay. His family's okay. Just a little sad, of course. Especially his mom. You know, that's her mom. And again, I know what it feels like. I don't wish this type of pain on anybody. Y'all, not even my enemies. I don't like y'all, but I would never wish the loss of a parent on anyone. I don't care what you did to me, or I wouldn't wish it on anyone. Also, go check out his channel. My husband has a channel. I don't know if I ever really said it on here. His name is Eshkol. I'll link it below. He streams and do reviews and things like that. So go check him out. Send him some love. And I'm not trying to make this a sad video. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. So now, moving forward to Sunday. Sunday is when I'm doing a photo shoot in the house with my husband, of course, because I need thumbnails for my Valentine's special that's coming up pretty soon here. All I ask is just love me regardless. Love me and don't judge me. Y'all look at me. This is a mess. But don't worry, Sunday I'll be beat for the gods and ready to go. I'm bringing it for sure with these Valentine recipes. I'm pretty proud of every single last one of them. They will not be the same recipes you've been seeing for the last 2 or 3 years. Yeah, and that's as much as I'm going to tell you about it. But I hope you guys have a great, amazing weekend. Stay safe. Stay out of trouble. Ladies, take care of yourself, especially at night when you get in your car. Lock the door. Don't even put your seatbelt on first. As soon as you sit in the car, lock your door. And because, y'all, it's just too much going on these days. The devil been trying to ride my back for the last 2 years. But you know what? Something about the blood of Jesus, child. When I pray for myself, my family, and my mother pray for me, don't try it. Don't try it, child, because I'm always going to come out swinging. I'm not going down at all. But I have a story time coming. Y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm making an easy, simple lemon pepper baked chicken. This is my chicken right here, my onions, my thyme, and of course my It's Lit lemon pepper, the best lemon pepper on the market. Make sure you cop that at my website. The link will be below. I'm just going to season this chicken up with the lemon pepper and lots of fresh thyme. Pop it in the oven and it's a wrap. You literally don't need anything else with my spice. I don't add salt because you won't need it. The lemon pepper is not low in sodium. It's just completely balanced. The spicy girl, however, is low in sodium, so you can add salt to that. But that's all you need right here. Period. So I'm just going to throw it in the oven, show you guys what it looks like, and we're going to move on. Ooh, look at this chicken. You would think I slaved over it all day and night. All I did was put 3 with the onions. 3 ingredients with the chicken. And that's it, y'all. Boom. Lemon pepper baked chicken. Done. Hey, y'all. So I'm about to eat dinner. I have Taco Bell. Babe got me a Doritos Locos taco, and a chalupa and cinnamon twist. So, let's get into that. I'm going to take it all the way out so y'all can see. I have my drink here, my raspberry peppermint sweet tea. My bad, y'all. Hold on, look, y'all. I better not drip it on that table. So I went to Walmart. I had to go. I can't really say on here the necessity as to why I needed to go. It was around 9:30 at night. It wasn't even that late. I'm never gonna go that late by myself. But babe was still working. I had to go to Walmart. I checked out and got my cart. Got outside. And I'm walking. I noticed there's a lot of... That particular night, it was a lot of men at the door. And I don't know why. 2 of them had a cart and they had groceries and whatever they might have bought out of Walmart. So, me walking, I don't pay no mind. So... Plus, I'm not a scary person where everything I'm jumping. I didn't pay no mind. This car creeping behind me. Now, mind you, if you know Walmart, you can either come down or you can either go up. the lanes where you come down or go up, you can't, you know, you got to go in the direction of it unless you're going to have a hard time parking. So the direction that you're supposed to go this way, the car was coming this way. And I'm like, okay, you know what, whatever. I opened my trunk. They stopped right by me. A van. They stopped right by me. And it was a Mexican guy. And two, I don't know how many were in there, but it was a few men in the van. What's up with you? What's up with you tonight? And all this stuff. And I'm ignoring him. I didn't want to like act scary or run into my car or do something. I'm not doing that. Because I feel like something like that just escalates the situation. The parking lot was not empty, but it was not a lot of people outside. And the lane that I was in, I didn't see nobody. So, and it's dark. So I was like, ain't nothing going on with me. Go ahead, I ain't got nothing for you. You can't just come talk to us. I was like, no, I ain't got nothing to say. And when he said come talk to us, that's when I stopped, put my stuff in the car, and then, you know, I don't want to say that part either, but I'm always ready, you know. I'm always ready. So, I was like, just go ahead. I ain't got nothing for you. Just go ahead. I'm married. You can't get my number. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to go nowhere with you. And, you know, they probably wasn't trying to hurt me. Who knows? I don't know the intentions of these people. You never know the intentions of people these days. Everyone's crazy, batshit crazy as hell. But even if it wasn't to hurt me, I'm married. I'm not going to talk to you anyway. So I'm just saying, you know, someone that might not be, I'm not going to say I'm tough because I'm not tough. I'm still a woman. Anybody could do anything to me. But someone that's more fragile or small, you know, you just never know what they would have done. So I just want to say, you know, just be careful when you're out there in them stores, especially at night, because it's ridiculous. And it's crazy because this never happened to me before. And even if I was single, I'm not going nowhere in no van with a bunch of men. I don't know what these other women do. I don't get down like that. I'm not going no place with no bunch of men in no van. So I finished putting my stuff in the car. I got in the car, put my seatbelt on, turned it on, locked the doors. Immediately, I called my husband while I was driving home. Because I don't play those games. It didn't make me feel a little paranoid after I left. I'm not going to lie. It's the news, man. The things you see in social media, the news, it's like it gets you on edge. It gets you on edge. And I'm telling you, if you're going to take me, you're going to have to kill me. You're going to have to kill me to take me. And if I'm dead, you ain't going to want to take me. You're going to have to kill me. If I was someone like smaller and more frail or scary, what that would feel like, you know? This is my Doritos Locos Tacos. So, I don't play with people, y'all. So, just be careful out there. The cinnamon twist. Y'all, I gotta be careful. It's been 8 weeks now since I got braces. But it's closing, and I'm pretty excited about that. Do I think braces is worth it? I do it. I think it's worth it. But it also depends on how bad your teeth were. I've been insecure about my mouth for pretty much my entire life. But the smaller it gets, the more confident I'm getting. I'm being more open to talking more on my social media. But anyway, I just wanted to do this quick little mukbang. It wouldn't be my channel if that didn't happen. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Make sure y'all make this drink. The link will be below. It's good as hell. I'm gonna be selling it. All right, love you guys. Bye.